What's going on, guys? It's Bandit FX, and today is June 24th, 2021. It's a Thursday, and today I'm going to be covering the GJ sells that I personally missed, but a few people in my Discord did catch based off my analysis. So, um, this was the screenshot of the analysis when it was posted. Price was ranging. We had no buys because there was no clean traffic to the left, and we were basically looking for sells below 154,700 with a TP or a take profit area of 154,450. So moving back to the live chart, this is basically how it played out. Price actually fell much further than our first take profit target, but um, we did not get a sell confirmation candle. Right, this happened so fast, but the reason that some people did catch this is because in the Discord we were talking about the possible news pushing it down. So British pound had monetary policy, bank rate votes, basically all of these folders you see here. This was news that came out for British pound, and what happened is as soon as that news release did happen, price absolutely tanked. I believe 100 pips in about 10 minutes. Let me measure the size of this candle. This is one 5-minute candle that was 72 pips. 72 pip 5-minute candle to the downside. So what we were basically discussing is that, when there is a news release at a high volume time, so this was the 7 a.m. candle. 7 a.m. is when the news was released, along with that increased volume, push price down. We entered with lower risk, obviously, because it was a news-based trade. We had our stop losses above the current candle. Again, like I said, I didn't personally take this trade because my MetaTrader wasn't open. My computer restarted and I forgot to reopen it. But luckily, we caught another trade later in the day that I'll cover in my next video. So overall, take profit point right here. This is basically what our risk reward looked like. This was actually a little bit lower. So we just had about a 1-to-1 R. A lot of people secured here. Some people ended up catching the full move down here into this area right here, our next support level after we broke through this consolidation. But um, yeah, guys, basically, whenever price is ranging, the market's pretty easy to read. You want to look for a break and close outside of the range, whether it's to the upside or the downside. However, if there is a news event prior, or basically, if price is ranging prior to a news event, this typically is just normal. Like prices often will range in anticipation of a big release. So as soon as that significant news does drop, price will break out of the range and continue. And you don't always get that confirmation candle. So if it is based around news, if you're trading based around news, just try to use lower risk than normal because price can become very volatile and stop you out. Either way, sometimes it'll wick to the downside and go to the upside, but more often than not, whichever way it does break is the way it does continue. If it is high impact news, basically anything with a red folder on Forex Factory. So, yeah, guys, that was the breakdown of our or trade recap of our pound yen trade today, Thursday, June 24th, 2021. Again, this is Bandit FX. If you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you actually caught this trade. I'm going to leave a link in my description with my Discord link. It's totally free. We have over 300 members and we're constantly growing every day. So join that if you guys want and come trade with us.